Hi, my name is Justin Jenkins, and I'm a board certified hearing instrument specialist with Mid-America Hearing Center in Mount Vernon, Missouri. And I would like to show you today how to change the domes, the retention wires, and the wax filters on a Rexton receiver in the canal behind the ear hearing instrument. Now you're going to need a few parts, okay? And first off, I'll show you the hearing instrument. This is it. There's a hearing instrument here, and then we have the receiver with the receiver wire, and it comes down to the receiver. The dome is right here, and the retention wire is here, and we're gonna replace these components. Now you will need to have a replacement dome that is exactly the same as the one that you were given at your initial fitting. Okay, you don't want to change that or put on a different one. This is what the dome will look like. On this one, this is a closed dome, but you could have many different styles. You can have double domes, smaller, larger ones that are open or closed, and you can look at one of our other videos on the differences in the domes if there's any confusion, or you can call your provider and ask them. This is a wax filter, and what it has is, this is the replacement stick for it. It has a new wax filter on one end and a threaded end here for use with removal of the old filter. So what we'll do is, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the hearing instrument is clean and doesn't have any debris or anything around on the old dome, and make sure that's all cleaned off. And then you want to you can just grab this dome and see this white part that's right here. That is a white collar. It's hard plastic, and then there is a rubber dome over the top of it. You want to take that and just get behind that hard plastic piece and give it a kind of a twist, and it pops off. Okay? Then once you pop that off, you want to make sure that the whole thing comes off with the soft flexible part as well as the hard white collar. If that hard white collar doesn't come off, the new dome won't go on. Okay? Then we have the receiver here, and that's without the dome on it anymore. And then we take the old retention wire off. I had some debris fall off of there. Okay. And we have the old retention wire off. And now we just have the receiver, okay, with the wax filter in it. Now this is, you look right in the end of the receiver, there's a little white tip there, and that little white tip is the wax filter. We're going to take the new wax filter stick, and it has a threaded end. I don't know if you can see that, but it is threaded, and you just take that, put it inside that filter in the end of the receiver, give it a twist. You don't have to sink it all the way in, just give it enough to get a good bite, and then you remove, you pull, and the old filter comes out. See, just like that. Now you don't have a filter in there. You want to turn the stick over to the new side. Okay, the new side has a little plus on it. It's kind of hard to see, but you can magnify it there and see that. You take this part and you just push the new filter back in, give it about a half a turn, and pull it right off. Okay, that replaces the wax filter, in there. Okay, then we go in and put on a new retention wire, which we have a new retention wire right here. We take that retention wire and we put on just like that, and it just slides over the top of this metal piece that's the receiver. It just slides back on. You want to make sure that this part here is towards the wire. Okay, you won't be able to put it on backwards, or not very easily, because this is a tapered end. But you just always want to make sure that the wire is the long part of the retention wire is towards the wire. Then you push that up until it's seated well, and it goes all the way up till it's past this little nipple here. Okay, and then you take the new dome, all right, and you put that round hole piece, and this, you take that little nipple and you put it right inside there, and then it just snaps on, and you'll hear an audible click if you pick that up, or you can feel it just snap on. You want to make sure that's good and secure. The last thing is you may want to curl this to make it more comfortable when you go to put it in your ear. So you will always want to curl it back towards the hearing instrument, and I just take and pinch it like a Christmas ribbon between my fingers and give it a good pull, and it curls up just a little bit. And that's how to change the dome and the wax filter and the retention wire on a Rexton behind the ear receiver in the canal hearing instrument. Thank you for listening today, and please look at our other videos for other information, or you can always give us a call here at Mid-America Hearing Center in Mount Vernon, Missouri. Thank you.